Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to show how to reset factory reset just like new, or if you're going to return, right, if you're going to return to seller, or if you're going to resell it to anyone, so you can reset it. I mean, you can do factory reset, or you can just reset the settings. By default settings you can set it. That's what I'm going to do. So for that, right, just go to this menu option, press this menu option. Here it is. So under menu options, right, we need to come to settings. So for that, right, you need to press it function button, F1, again F1, and again F1, and now I'm in settings. So here, right, you need to press this right button, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you can see these options reset. So I'm gonna give reset. So camera settings reset is nothing but just you are putting Sony ZV-1 in default settings. So you can do that. Reset the main camera settings, enter. Device reset is done. Fantastic. Now I am going to factory reset, because if I want to return, if I'm going to sell it to anyone, I can do that. So setting reset. So here you can see these options: initialize, restore settings to their defaults, and deletes registered data. So I'm gonna give OK. Performs initialization, OK. I choose up arrow, selecting OK. Super cool. That's all, friends. So now factory reset is completely done. So now I can return, or I can sell it, or even I want to use for my personal purpose. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks on my video forms. Thank you. Bye, friends. Take care.